In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate percentage difference in Microsoft Excel. If you have sales data from 2 different months and you want to quickly measure how much the numbers changed, Excel makes this very easy. In this example, we have a table where the November sales figures are in column B and the December sales figures are in column C. Our goal is to calculate the percentage difference between those 2 months so we can clearly see whether sales increased or decreased from November to December. To do that, we'll use a simple formula. The idea behind the formula is that we take the new value, subtract the old value, and then divide that result by the old value. In this case, December is the new value and November is the old value. That gives us the rate of change as a decimal, which Excel can then display as a percentage if needed. Click into cell D2 because that's where we want the first percentage difference result to appear. Then type the formula equals, open parenthesis, C2 minus B2, close parenthesis, divided by B2. The full formula is equals, open parenthesis, C2 minus B2, close parenthesis, slash B2. After entering it, press enter. As soon as you do that, Excel calculates the percentage change between the November value in B2 and the December value in C2. If the result is positive, that means sales increased. If the result is negative, that means sales decreased. This is a very useful way to compare performance over time without just looking at raw numbers. Once the formula works in the first row, you don't need to type it again for every other row. Just drag the formula down to apply it to the rest of the table. Excel will automatically adjust the cell references for each row, which saves time and helps avoid mistakes. For example, the next row will compare C3 and B3, then C4 and B4, and so on. That's all you need to do. With one formula and a quick drag down, you can calculate percentage differences for an entire list of values in seconds. As a helpful tip, if you want the results to look cleaner, you can format the cells in column D as percentages so the output is easier to read. And that's how to calculate percentage difference in Microsoft Excel.